The internet has transformed how we consume and create media, and arguably no platform exemplifies this more than YouTube. What started out as a simple video sharing website has evolved into a pillar of internet culture and a launchpad for creators around the world. I mean, who could have predicted that watching lo-fi hip-hop streams and people whispering into microphones would become mainstream entertainment? YouTube has come a long way since its humble beginnings. Let's rewind back to 2005, when three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, founded the platform. Now, before we dig forward, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any future updates. Anyway, coming back, the first video uploaded was fittingly titled Me at the Zoo, just 19 seconds of Jawed chatting in front of some elephants. Riveting stuff, right? Fast forward to today, where over 2 billion logged in users visit YouTube every single month. Just how big is that number? Well, if YouTube was a country, it would be the most populated nation on the planet, more than China or India. Absolutely wild. And users don't just visit, they engage too. Over 1 billion hours of content is watched daily. That's more than Netflix and Facebook combined. But it's not just about the viewers. More than 50 million creators have built channels on YouTube. From makeup gurus to gamers, educators to entertainers, YouTube has allowed people across the globe to share their passions and find their tribe. So how does YouTube keep users watching and creators thriving? The secret ingredient is artificial intelligence. YouTube employs complex algorithms to analyze your watch history and preferences. This allows it to serve you an endless stream of recommended videos tailored to your tastes. Kinda creepy how well it knows you though, right? YouTube has developed a suite of new AI-powered tools to help creators strategize content, edit videos, and translate their work. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into some of the most exciting AI capabilities that could transform the future of video creation. Then there's the new YouTube Create mobile editing app. For novice creators, video editing can be intimidating and expensive, but this app makes it simple to stylize content right from your phone. Do you think it could be a game changer for amateur creators? I'm curious to try it out and just see how user-friendly it is. And then there's AI Insights for suggesting video topics. One of the hardest parts of being a creator is constantly ideating fresh content. AI Insights analyzes your channel metrics and audience preferences to serve up relevant and search-friendly video ideas. I think this tool could really help creators strategize and capitalize on trends. Of course, it does raise some ethical questions. Will dependence on AI stifle creativity? Should translating tools be regulated? How will recommendation algorithms impact information diversity? The implications of AI are complex, but overall, I believe YouTube's new tools have tremendous potential to empower creators and enrich the viewer experience. For example, there's Aloud, the tool that automatically dubs videos using synthetic voices. For creators trying to penetrate foreign language markets, this could be a total game changer. Professional translation services do not come cheap, but with Aloud, creators can instantly reach millions of new viewers. Now, admittedly, the computer-generated narration may not sound completely natural just yet, but the translations themselves are supposed to be highly accurate. The tone and cadence of the original speaker are maintained. Plus, this tech is still in its infancy. Imagine how seamless AI translations could become in just a few years. Do you think auto-translation will help democratize information access? Or could something get lost in translation? I'd be curious to compare an AI dub side by side with a professional human narration. Though for casual social media style videos, Aloud could be a great free alternative to expand reach. I also believe that for experienced creators, YouTube Create likely won't replace heavy-duty editing programs, but as a lightweight supplemental tool, I can see it being super valuable for quick edits on the go. No more having to wait until you're back at your desk to tweak that clip or add some final voiceover. Content possibilities are now limitless with editing power in your pocket. The rise of intuitive creation tools like YouTube Create raises an important question. Could simplified mobile apps help democratize video production? In the past, high-end editing software costing hundreds of dollars was required to produce polished videos. This put quality video creation out of reach for casual creators lacking the technical expertise or financial resources. But mobile creation apps could be a game changer in lowering barriers to entry. I don't need to be a video pro to whip up a quick tutorial or vlog from my phone anymore. For aspiring creators, simple and affordable tools create exciting new possibilities. That said, it's unlikely that full-featured desktop software will become obsolete anytime soon. Professional YouTubers generating high view volumes will still rely on advanced capabilities like multi-track editing, customizable effects, and support for 4K workflows. The level of polish and customization required for competitive channels necessitates more robust tools. But for up-and-coming or hobbyist creators, mobile creation apps provide a new runway to begin establishing an audience and refining their skills before investing in more advanced software. They democratize access to baseline video production. Now, as a viewer, this excites me as it could mean more diversity in voices and niches represented among creators. With lower barriers to get started, people can share their passions even if they don't have technical expertise. But wider participation raises concerns too. Some worry simplifying creation may lead to low-quality content flooding the platform. And does handing easier access to new creators come at the expense of recognizing the skills of established pros? I don't think it has to be either or. There's room for creators at all skill levels as long as the content resonates with the right audiences. Curious to hear your perspectives though. Do you think simplified creation tools are a net positive, and why or why not? Shifting gears, let's talk about AI Insights. This tool suggests custom video topics by analyzing a channel's metrics and audience data. I can see it being hugely valuable for ideation, especially for prolific creators churning out lots of content. But I also do worry about over-reliance on AI to generate ideas. While AI Insights may help creators tap into trends, leaning too heavily on computer-generated prompts could undermine originality. There's something uniquely compelling about content stemming from raw human creativity as opposed to formulas. Then again, Insights could help surface niche trends creators would never have thought to pursue. At the end of the day, the healthiest approach is likely a balance. AI assistants can enhance ideation, but channel creators should still view computer prompts as a jumping-off point to kindle their own ingenuity. AI presents tools to augment creativity, not replace it. Maintaining that human element while utilizing data-driven suggestions could be a powerful combination. What do you think? Could AI suggestion algorithms ever fully capture the randomness and ingenuity of human ideation? I'd love to hear your perspectives on the debate of human creativity versus AI in the YouTube landscape in the comments below.